Alright, so I know what you're thinking just from looking at the title. This product has been already out, which I understand. That being said though, I still wanted to get my hands on it, wanted to try it out for myself, and figured since I've never owned an iPad before, the iPad mini 6th gen, as of right now, it's my favorite iPad, especially when Apple refreshed and announced its new design back in September of this year at their keynote. I figured, alright, let's jump on it, let's give my take, and do appreciate you guys sticking around. So let's crack open the box. I do see it is a little bumped up from shipping, so I hope the actual Apple box itself for the product is not as badly damaged as my Apple TV box. Well, it wasn't that bad, but still, I mean, come on, it's an Apple box, right? Anyway, you guys don't care about the box. And yes, I did get this from Amazon, so it didn't come straight from Apple directly. I mean, it did at one point, but I don't know where it goes first. But anyway, here is the box itself. Looks like it was upside down. And here we go. This is the iPad mini 6th generation. And the box is not that badly damaged, so that's good. So I went with the 256 gigabyte Wi-Fi and cellular model in the color Starlight. I've heard the color Starlight, it's a mix of silver and gold, so hopefully I like it, but we will see here. So let's take a look at the box. As you can see, this is the top of the box itself, just says iPad mini. Oops, that's upside down. If we look on the right side right here, it says iPad mini, Apple logo, iPad mini, Apple logo. Of course, some information right here on the back. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. And their packaging, they make it very easy to open nowadays. I remember you used to need to get a knife and then try to crack all this plastic open. So, alright, let's go ahead and put that off to the side. Alright, here we go. I've already checked this out at a Best Buy randomly one day, and it is so small. So, I'm excited to see this right here in my house. Come on now. Alright, perfect. Put that off to the side. That is the iPad mini. So I heard they changed the wrapper a little bit, which it used to be plastic. Now it's still plastic, but like a matte finish, not a glossy finish. Let's put that off to the side for now, and let's get through the boring stuff first. Alright, designed by Apple in California. Typical Apple packaging. And let's see. Oh, I knew there was more stuff in there. I see some Apple stickers. Oh, come on, man. Alright, there we go. It was like a sheet of paper stuck onto the packaging, but anyway, who cares about that? So, you got your two Apple stickers right here. Nice. What do we got here? iPad mini. It says, welcome to iPad. Basically a little quick start guide. Some safety and handling information. Who needs that? And we got a SIM injection tool because, like I said before, this is the cellular model. There's our two stickers. We don't need to look at that. Oh, come on. Don't get stuck to the box now. What else do we have in here? We have a USB-C to USB-C cable. So not only can you use this for charging, sync with your computer, but because the iPad mini 6th gen has a USB-C port, that allows you to connect a large category of devices out there. Flash drives, hard drives, monitors, you name it. So that's our USB-C cable. Definitely going to be using that because I'm curious on how the speeds are when using that. Right here, we have a power adapter. So it's got the USB-C port right here. It's all gussied up in this plastic. And how many watts is this? 20 watts. Make sure my camera can focus here. Yep, 20 watts. Definitely going to need all that power to charge up the iPad. So let's go ahead and put all this off to the side because we need to get into the star of the show. Are you ready? Oh boy. Oh man. I am so excited. I know this thing is not brand new, as it was announced back in September, but wow, that is so small. Here it is compared to my iPhone SE 1st gen. As you can see, the size difference right there. Now, as far as the thickness, let me just be careful to put this on, but don't scratch up the screen because I like to keep my products protected. Slightly thinner than the iPhone SE 1st gen. Let's go ahead and get another device. Here is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Yeah, the Note 8 is slightly thicker, but if we put it down, it's like the iPad mini isn't really all that covered up. Let me go ahead and grab this guy out of here. Already starting getting fingerprints on the screen. But let's take a look. So you have an 8.3-inch diagonal screen on the top, and you got your front-facing camera right here. At the bottom, you have your USB-C port, and I believe these are the speakers. I'll have to double check the documentation. Speakers or microphone. On the left side, you have nothing. On the back, you actually have your volume buttons right here, along with more speakers / microphones, your sleep wake button, or Touch ID in this case. And on the right side, you have a little magnetic connector that's used for connecting your Apple Pencil 2nd Gen. If you guys do use an Apple Pencil with this, you have your SIM card slot. And if we look on the back right here, you have your rear-facing camera, LED flash, traditional Apple logo on the back here. Of course, it says iPad right here, designed by Apple in California, and so on and so forth. First impressions of this color so far. So I got Starlight, and I can see slightly a little bit of gold, but otherwise I feel like it's mostly silver. Pretty nice color right here, actually. I was scared that I wouldn't like it, but as you can see, this thing can fit in my entire hand. Let's go ahead and power this guy on. All right, there it is. There's our Apple logo. I know this looks ugly, but I don't want to scratch this thing. My case isn't going to be coming here until in a couple weeks, but I've also ordered a full body skin protector that I want to install on here just to keep it, you know, scratch proof. Let's go ahead and start setting this thing up. So we got English, select your country. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to set up manually. All right, let me connect to my Wi-Fi right here. I am greeted with this message that says, it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. So let's see what happens if I just let it sit here. Okay, so it gives you some information about data and privacy. Hit continue. I'm going to set up Touch ID later just to get to the home screen. A passcode, we'll disregard that for now. I'm going to set all this up later. I'm not going to transfer any data. Let me skip this for now. Terms and conditions. Yes, I'm going to agree. Keep your iPad up to date. Get the latest features, securities, and improvements of updating iOS automatically. That's weird they call this iOS when really the operating system, they name it iPad OS. But anyway, let's hit continue. Yeah, we'll enable location services. Sure, we'll use Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
I like this one. We'll set up Hey Siri later. Nah. Yeah, let's go ahead and continue with that. No, I'm not going to share diagnostics. Oh, we'll keep it on light for now for the sake of this video. Welcome to iPad, get started. Oops, did it not register my touch? There we go. And here we are. We are inside iPad OS. And let's go ahead and take a look at the settings, see what version we're on. iPad OS 15.0. So I'm going to start and check for any software updates. But there you go. That is the initial setup of the iPad. Yeah, let's go ahead and update that now. All right, guys, that does it for me in this video today. This was just an unboxing of my iPad mini 6th Gen 256GB Wi-Fi and cellular model in the color Starlight. Let me go ahead and play around with this for a few days. I'll make a few videos here and there depending on what I find interesting. But otherwise, if you guys have any suggestions on topics that you'd like me to cover that you want to see on the iPad mini, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will be sure to check those out. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up down below and hit that subscribe button to see more videos from me. Also hit the bell notification button to be notified when I post a new video, and follow me on Twitter. If I'm working on a new video, I'll mention it there first so that you guys get a sneak peek. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.